We're right here in the jungle, in the wilderness. Oh my God, there's a lot of cows here. Move over, cow. Look at these cows. Move over, Grandma. You gotta get out of the way. Bunch of cows in the road. Very cool. I have a little blood on my hand from the crash, and also some leaves on my sleeves. There's some big trees right here. I got a duck. Ah! Had to get off the road to not hit that thing. Oh, here we are in the jungle again. Are you having fun? It's a weekend, and we're a weekend warrior, right? We're gonna ride this bike. Whoa! That wasn't very good, was it? Whoa! We're having some fun here on the 300 CRF 300 Honda. This thing rocks. There's some cow pie here. Lots of cows in this area. Woo! Lots of different terrains here. And if you go off of here, it's bad news. So we're gonna stay on this road the best we can. We're gonna have a fun trip here. Very high. They have these windmills over here. They have the windmills where they generate a lot of solar power. I hope that's working well. And there's a lot of trees up ahead. A lot of trees in the road. But it's just a good time on this 300L. It's always a nice ride. Anywhere you go, it's gonna be fun. Even right here, that's fun. Woo! We're just riding this narrow, tight road. There's a lot of drop-offs here, so we're trying to be careful, not get ourselves hurt no more. Oh, this is fun though. Woo. It's fun, but it's a little wild too. It's always fun in the jungle.